बन गया है, जिसको जो कुछ भी चाहिए ग्रोसरी में चाहिए, सब कुछ कितना आसान हो गया है अभी। मेरा सवाल यह है कि मैं इसको फ्रेम बहुत बोरिंग तरीके से करूंगा, आप लेकिन बड़ा अच्छा सा जवाब दीजिएगा। व्हाट आर द कोर वैल्यूज दैट डिफाइन जियोमार्ट?
यार एक तो ना आई एम फीलिंग अ बिट ऑड पर्सन आउट इन दिस पैनल।
क्यों?
ये सब सिनेमा वाले यार, जियो मार्ट को लाके बिठा दिया आपने। नहीं नहीं, मैं वही बोलने वाला था कि मे बी व्हेन people watch movies at their homes or the theaters, whatever groceries maybe they'll buy and they'll cook with are
हाँ
yeah,
वही तो।
exactly. No, so see, Reliance is a big organization within this country, right? And we are present across almost all the pin codes through either our offline stores or our online presence through JioMart, which is grocery, and there are other platforms as well like Ajio for fashion. Now, what we stand out for is the trust, right? And what we stand out for also is the indigenous nature of our existence in this country.
Okay.
What we do is support local products, local artisans, and that's what I think the association also makes sense for us, right? Because this award show or award program is all about rewarding the local talent in our country and kind of promoting it. The second is authenticity. I think this award stands for authenticity, which is what we intend to stand for. These are a couple of core values that we have. With that, we have a very strong omni-channel presence that we kind of boast about. One is that you walk into our store and buy anything, the same product you will get online as well. So whether you are an online shopper or an offline shopper, we will give you a true omni-channel presence wherever you want to kind of shop from, whether it is grocery or fashion or electronics or anything that you want to use, right? So these are key core values that we kind of stand for.
Okay. And how does it differentiate from, again, it was a similar question, Key. There is competition out there, which I'm sure JioMart is decimating, but even if you had to consider कि चलो competition है, तो उसमें ऐसी क्या बात है JioMart में जो सबसे heads and shoulders above है?
See, not every industry will have any unique or distinct nature to kind of scale beyond the competition. We have to do the same things better.
Okay.
Right? कुछ इंडस्ट्रीज में क्या होता है कि आप कुछ अलग करके you can scale. But कुछ इंडस्ट्रीज में you have to do the same things better than anybody else to scale, right? And I think films and acting is also similar to that, right?
Yes.
You do better, whatever you can do the best. If you are kind of recognized in the skills and intelligence that you have, you will scale. And that's what we stand for. And as I said, right, and the indigenous nature of our existence in the country, plus the omni-channel presence that we have, the strength that we have of our stores, gives us a little bit of edge than a lot of competition that has come from outside the country.
Right. Repetition and discipline. Those seem to be some very important factors out there. Manish ji, आपके लिए यहाँ पर मेरे पास एक बहुत अच्छा खासा लंबा चौड़ा इंट्रोडक्शन है जो मैं बहुत प्राउडली देना चाहूँगा। तूली तो होनी चाहिए। Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us Mr. Manish Kalra, the Chief Business Officer of ZEE5, who also leads the ZEE5 B2C business for India. He is responsible for growing the overall P&L revenue, viewership, and driving subscription numbers on the platform. So, इतने अच्छे प्यारे बेहतरीन इंट्रोडक्शन के साथ a huge round of applause for Manish Kalra. Manish, the world of movies have really evolved ever since we saw our first film जब भी होगी हमने अपने बचपन में जो भी पहली पिक्चर देखी होगी चाहे टीवी पे थिएटर्स में जहाँ पर भी कभी कभी ये दोनों ही नहीं थे तो आपने बस एक कहीं पे बेडशीट लगा दी एक प्रोजेक्टर से आप देख रहे हैं तब से आज तक movies have really changed. The way we consume them, the way we watch them has changed. According to you, what is the major difference in the way we watch movies today?
Yeah. Okay, I'll say it's not the movies, the consumers which has changed.
Okay.
Their expectation of the content they want to watch, how they want to watch, where they want to watch has changed. So let's see it from a consumer angle. That okay, for going to let's say watch a movie in a cinema, I have to plan my day out. I have to kind of carve out a window from a weekend or a holiday or an evening, and then go with family.
Lots
plans,
of variables.
a lot of kind of things.
Yeah.
So, and I'm busy across to their savior. That hey, you can watch anything, anytime from the comfort of your home. engaged. You can choose to decide what you want to watch or what you don't want to watch. You can stop in between. You don't lose anything kind of because you paid for the ticket. So we do a lot of consumer research as well. So consumers tell us, so let's say there was a question, which genre is the most popular genre and content? What do you want to watch? They said, okay, you are a platform supplier. I want comedy. I want romance if I'm with my wife. I want action if I'm watching with my friends. I want a thriller. I want the buffet laid out for me because I am the king. You guys decide what you can present in the best way to me, and I'll choose. So ultimately, my point is consumers evolved, okay? They have also seen a lot of cinema which was linear, a lot of stories which were told in a certain way. They were obviously guardrails, like Dia mentioned, ki mainstream stories is tarah se hi aati thi. So they obviously wanted a kind of a break from that. They've seen complex characters, nuanced stories, characters unraveling, kind of stories being told in a very different way, authentic way. So consumers are evolving. So they're demanding more and more from the cinema creators. They're demanding that, hey, better stories, more relevant, more culturally relatable to me. So I think that's kind of coming in there. Also, like with consumers, technology has evolved.
Yeah.
So internet is like omnipresent right now. Yeah. Everyone has a mobile phone. Connected TVs are very cheap. Like 25K, you can get a decent
Especially
connected screen in India.
Yeah.
And you can have a mobile home theater, which is also very cheap.
Yeah.
So they're getting all of that in place. So the quality of entertainment is not being compromised. So my view is, as the consumers evolved, they have demanded more from technology. They've demanded more from cinema, from storytellers, and that's kind of showing up in all the spectrum of releases, whether it's on cinemas or OTTs or TV. That's kind of driving the change. Yep.
This demand that's coming in, what role is Z5 as a streaming platform playing in catering to this demand?
Oh yeah, that's our day-on-day job. Consumer is the king, and I also say content is the king. So from our perspective, we want to focus on giving the best experience to the consumer. Two ways. So I'll break this question into catering to the consumer demand as well as catering to the creators, amazing creators who are in this room. How do they get exposure? So I'll take a leap from where Dia left. So before OTTs came into picture, very few artists would get the break, as they call it, or the platform to kind of tell their stories or show their talent. Stories were being told in a certain way. Nuanced stories were not coming out. So we grew the industry significantly.
Correct.
And specifically, since you are Z5, we've not only done it in Hindi. So we are one of the few OTT players who's kind of done it across the country because we pride ourselves being the son of the soil, the homegrown OTT player. And that's what we've done. So if you go to Bengal, we have shows being made in Bangla, we have shows being made in Telugu, Tamil. We're kind of supporting Punjabi industry a lot. And there are huge plans to go into every language in the country. So that's where we are kind of contributing and bringing out the talent and giving them the reach. I think the biggest advantage OTT brings on the table is the reach and the scale. Okay. I'll give you some examples. Let's say a lot of the movies which didn't do well in theaters because of various reasons, because the subjects were either not so mass. So let's say, I'll take a name, Ghumar. Okay. So Balki sir comes and tells me, Manish, जितना मुझे इसकी वजह से appreciation मिला है कि जब से Z5 पे आई है, पहले नहीं मिला था. Because so many millions of people saw it. It was not kind of seen otherwise. And so many such great content is kind of getting that visibility. So A, we are obviously giving the right stories to the consumers. B, we are supporting the cinema, the creators. And at the same time, what we are doing, this is our initiative, is promoting stories which drive change or stories which are women-centric. So if you see my slate which you released in last 1 year, we've had like amazing women characters, whether it was Tarla or we launched a Tamil web series called Ayali, which is about a girl attaining puberty, which is a taboo subject in India. And it was told so well that the Tamil education minister asked us to do the shows in schools in Tamil Nadu to educate the girl child. So some of those change driving measures we are doing. But yeah, we're contributing in our own way, and consumer is the king always.
Also, to just add, I think 12th Fail is also a great example, which after coming on OTT, after 8 weeks, it has picked up like a fire, back in theaters.
So which one are we talking about?
12th Fail.
12th Fail, yes.
I genuinely believe it's one of the
such
finest.
an interesting example of a film that, because a lot of people think that if a film doesn't work in theaters, then it will may work on OTT. That's also an if. But this is a great example of a film that is doing exceedingly well on OTT while it remains
Still
in
running in
theaters, and
theaters.
people are still going to cinemas to watch it.
Yeah.
It's fantastic. I think that's really what the future should look like.
It has to be a synergistic relationship.
So in fact, many more like when
आप बड़े महत्वपूर्ण इंसान हैं.
Coming back to why we are associating with this film award and the whole idea of Z as a network is to become a house of cinema. We already own more than 8 channels of cinema channels, Hindi, and we are the only network which has cinema channel in every part of the country, in every language.
Wow.
And that is, the reason is that we want to promote the cultural and the, local nuances of cinema, not only just one piece of the cinema, this thing. Coming back to now ZTV, so there is, in this country, there are 2 kind of content, which is one is cinema, which we are associating here, and others is the fiction shows, which
Right.
people love. TV, we have all, grown up watching TV. Cinema is also became mass medium only when TV came to the country. Before that, you could only watch cinema in theaters. And that was the first port of call for cinema. But when TV came, it reached every household. One could enjoy cinema or any programming sitting at home. Hence, TV played that role, and it's still playing. TV has the largest reach even today, even though there is an advent of OTT. And it's actually a very welcome change, because there is now choice to the consumer. Again,
Right.
we all go back to the consumer. Every business model, every new technology, any development happens due to consumer choices. And that's where we put our Z network. We are always way ahead and want to be on the cutting edge in there. From that perspective, even programming on our channels where we produce fiction shows, we are trying to be ahead of the curve. We like to create shows which today emanates today's women. See, our programming is mostly focused on women. Or we are having talent shows like Saregamapa, where we want to encourage. In Saregamapa, everybody knows
Yeah.
is country's first singing talent hunt. And we have produced so many singers today, and
The OG show.
yes. So, in fact, let me tell you, there was no singing show across the world. Your Indian Idol or the Idol, which was
Yeah.
created other parts of the country, other parts of the world. Saregama was the first one which was launched in India. So we have been pioneer in creating a lot of content. Secondly, now from coming to the fiction shows which we create, our endeavor has been that from earlier, the kind of content people would love was Rona Dhona. Women was seen as Bichari, but yes, holding on to the household. Today, in most of all our shows, women are portrayed as aspirational, as assertive. They are the one who are creating decisions for their own career, but at the same time, they hold family together. And that's the crux of the change in every story. Secondly, we dwell a lot on the character. We
Right.
build character. Now, TV has to play in today's technological advancement. TV, what is TV viewing? TV viewing is appointment viewing.
Yep.
So one has to bring the consumer to watch you on that time at that day, right? So TV को आज बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ रही है,
हाँ.
given the all the options available. Hence, we have to very carefully carve our characters so that everyone tries to follow that character every day. The difference between stories of any TV channel and specifically ZTV, and at the same time any stories you see on OTT. OTT में कहानी हीरो होता है. कहानी जो होती है वो मेन हीरो होता है.
हाँ, किरदार है.
किरदार है. बट आप कोई भी सीरियल देखेंगे ना, अब वो 1000 एपिसोड 500 एपिसोड चलता है, उसमें कहानी इवॉल्व होती रहती है और चेंज होती रहती है.
करेक्ट.
बट जो एक कांस्टेंट है वो कैरेक्टर है, और हजारों करोड़ों लोग आज की डेट में उस कैरेक्टर को लव करते हैं, उसको देखना चाहते हैं और इसलिए वो रोज टीवी पे आके उस समय अपने कैरेक्टर को फॉलो करते हैं।
बिल्कुल।
तो
No, I have to add something very interesting to what you said. One of the nicest shows that I've been a part of was a show I'd done for Z5, called Ganga, the Soul of India.
Okay.
I can't tell you how many people walk up to me to this date and talk to me about that show. It's a non-fiction show. It's about a journey that I took from Ganga to Ganga Sagar, and just engaging with local communities, cooking and eating local
Wow.
food, and focusing on culture and environment. And that program really helped build people's understanding of how the water and its sustenance, was so critical to the life, the peace, the progress, the poetry, the culture, the art, and the existence of communities that lived along the banks of the river, but also beyond the banks of the river. And I think that's really a great example for something that you were trying to speak about. And it's one thing that I really hold very, very high up in my esteem for content creation, because I don't know too many channels who are making stuff like this, and they did.
Yes. I also think that this was partly the answer of what
And
I
I'm
was
not
asking
an
you before.
ambassador for Z. I'm just genuinely grateful for the
नहीं
opportunity.
दिया, I
Well
think this
done.
was
Thank
जो
you so
मैंने
much.
पहले सवाल पूछा था ना कि what are the projects that really are close to your heart. I think that answers also come now. कहीं ना कहीं मेमोरी में आ जाती है. And one of the beautiful things also is कि हर तरह के content के लिए कहीं ना कहीं जगह है, audience है, and the intent obviously is always to make something good, something nice, something long lasting, something that will directly connect to the audiences. अब कई बार ऐसे करने के
And
लिए
enrich them.
and enrich them.
And educate them and
Yes.
inform them.
Yes, that is something
So,
that
the kind of stories which we are creating are actually changing lives of middle class women or women who are watching these shows on a day-to-day basis. And our characters are edged by going to their houses, spending time with them, see how they are actually on a day-to-day life, what they go through, and हमारी कहानियाँ वहीं से निकल के आती हैं. तो हम हर शहर में, हर कस्बे में जाके लोगों को मिलते हैं, उनसे बातें करते हैं. हमारी प्रोग्रामिंग की टीम्स उनके साथ बैठ के काफ़ी रिसर्च करती है और फिर हम अपनी कहानियों में वो चीज़ें डालते
क्या
हैं.
बात है.
सो इट्स अ कॉमन मैन चैनल.
क्या बात है. ये सफर यूं ही चलता रहे. कॉमन मैन्स चैनल एज यू नाउ रिक्वेस्ट यू नहीं रहेंगे तो सभी, लेकिन आपके पास एक स्पेशल अपॉर्चुनिटी है अभी, एक स्पेशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू दिया टू प्रेजेंट आवर टोकन ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ आवर पैनलिस्ट्स. Let's go. Wow. A huge round of applause, everybody. Once again, what a beautiful presentation that was. Thank you so much for that, Nushrat. And now, can I please request Pusalkar ji, please आप stage पर आएं और Nushrat नमस्ते नमस्ते
खिचड़ी 2 मिशन पांतुकिस्तान Z59 फरवरी।
अरे प्रफुल्ल गधा है गधा।
बापू ये पता है जिज्जा जी को, अब तो वो सामान पीठ पे लाद के चलने भी लगते हैं गधा गधा सुन सुन के।
मैंने उसे क्या कहा था?
यही प्रफुल्ल खबर फैला देना कि हमारी फिल्म खिचड़ी 2 मिशन पांतुकिस्तान आ रही है Z59 फरवरी।
Z5 मैंने कहा था Z5 9 फरवरी।
देखिए ना, वही तो लिखा है खिचड़ी 2 मिशन पांतुकिस्तान Z59 फरवरी।
मूंछों वाले अंसा, इसके बाद कॉमा होना चाहिए। Z5 के बाद यूं कॉमा होना चाहिए। Z5 9 फरवरी।
आजकल कॉमा कौन पढ़ता है, टाइम कहाँ होता है लोगों के पास।
अरे हिमांशु, अगर कॉमा नहीं लगाएंगे तो सबको पता कैसे चलेगा कि हमारी फिल्म खिचड़ी 2 मिशन पांतुकिस्तान आ रही है Z5 पे 9 फरवरी से। चल रट्टा लगा अब तू।
खिचड़ी 2 मिशन पांतुकिस्तान Z5 9 फरवरी से।
करेक्ट। आप सब लोग भी याद रखिए, हमारी फिल्म खिचड़ी 2 मिशन पांतुकिस्तान आ रही है Z5 पे 9 फरवरी से।
लगाए रट्टा, किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा।
क्या
Thank
बात
you.
है।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू
Thank you very much.
अब तो हमें सब कुछ याद हो ही गया है, लेकिन अब जब इतना याद करवाया तो जरूरी है कि हम जरा ये जो बहुत ही एंटिसिपेटेड आ रही है Z5 पर 9 फरवरी पर, उसका जरा एक प्रोमो भी देख लिया जाए।